श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेशरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि वेदान्तलक्ष्मणमुनीन्द्रकृपात्तबोधं तत्पादयुग्मसरसीर्घभृङ्गराजं त्रय्यन्तयुग्मकृतभूरिपरिश्रमं तं श्रीरङ्गलक्ष्मणमुनिं चरणं प्रपद्ये. श्रीमते रङ्गरामानुजमहादेशिकाय नमः. श्रीमते निगमान्तमहादेशिकाय नमः. श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः. श्रीमते गोदायै नमः. Andal, daughter of Periyalvar, is the incarnation of Bhuma Devi. She wanted to attain Krishna. She did not find the way to do it from Srivilliputturu. She emulated the Gopika Stri of Vrindavan and imagined that she is doing Margari Nonbu with them, and she sang the experience of the Nonbu and experience with Krishna as Tirupavai 30 Pasurams. Today being 28th day of Margari month, we are going to see the 28th Pasuram, its meaning and the Dividesam related to this Pasuram, Vrindavanam. Pasuram, கறவைகள் பின் சென்று கானம் சேர்ந்து உண்போம், அறிவொன்றுமில்லாத ஆய்க்குலத்து உந்தன்னை பிறவி பெருந்தனை புண்ணியம் யாமுடையோம், குறைவொன்றுமில்லாத கோவிந்தா உந்தன்னோடு உறவேல் நமக்கிங்கு ஒழிக்க ஒழியாது, அறியாத பிள்ளைகளோம் அன்பினால் உந்தன்னை சிறு பேரழைத்தனவும் சீறி அருளாதே, இறைவா நீ தாராய் பரையேலோர் எம்பாவாய். In 23rd Pasuram, Krishna came to his Simhasanam as per Andal's request, and Andal did Mangalasasanam in the 24th Pasuram and started giving her requests that are to be fulfilled by Krishna. She requested for Upakaranams, instruments for doing the Vratam in 26th Pasuram, and a honor gift for completion of Vratam, that is ornaments to her, in 27th Pasuram. The ornaments requested in 27th Pasuram are to do Kainkaryam, to have Mantra Upadesham from Acharya, and to attain Sri Vaikuntham, to enjoy the attributes of Krishna like Mooda Neipeidu Mulangai Valivara. 26th and 27th Pasuram were considered as the meaning of Mukti. This 28th and 29th Pasurams are considered as the crux of Tirupavai, and it is the essence of Sharanagati. Krishna is asking, Andal, what you are asking is like a Muktatma. When he goes to Sri Vaikuntham, he will enjoy everything that belongs to Bhagavan, and he will enjoy the Bhagavan himself with all the Nityasuris. But what do you have? What is the eligibility you have to receive this one? There are two means to reach Mukti. One is Bhakti, Bhakti Yoga Mandal. Second is Prapatti, that is Charanagati. Bhakti by doing meditation, and it is not confirmed that whether we will do it in the correct way and attain Mukti, because we have to initiate for that one. But in Prapatti, where I have no means, I will surrender at the feet of the Bhagavan to present Mukti out of his compassion, benevolence only. 28th Pasuram, Bhagavat Charana Varanam. She chooses him as Upayam and surrenders at his feet. 29th Pasuram, requesting for Kainkarya Prapti. When Krishna is asking for the eligibility to attain Moksham, Andal is telling, we are doing our daily routine. We go behind the cows that are capable of giving milk. We go to forest with them and eat there. My guru is cow only. It is said that when someone does not have knowledge, he is equated to cow, pasu or animal. Jnanena heenana pashubhigi. So Andal says, you can decide what knowledge we the cowherd have. We went behind cows and eat there. We do not perform any dharma. Kanam சேர்ந்து உண்போம். That is, we do not share our food to anybody. We do not offer that to Bhagavan. And we will not face east also while eating. While walking also we used to eat. Andal says, hey Krishna, if you ask us about the Karma Yoga Mandal, don't expect any form of Karma Yoga from us. We know only going behind the cows and do the grazing of cows. When there is no Karma Yogam, Krishna is asking, where you people have any knowledge about any Shastra, etc. Andal says, கறவைகள் பின் சென்று காணம் சேர்ந்துண்போம், அறிவொன்றுமில்லாத ஆய்குலத்து. We are from cowherd clan and we don't have any Shastra Jnanam. Krishna is asking, okay, not about the Shastram. Do you have any literacy to read and write? Or can you tell the numbers? Do you have numeracy? Andal tells, Arivillada, there is no Shastra Jnanam. Arivondru illada, there is no literacy. We don't know to read and write. Arivondrum illada. We cannot tell the numbers also correctly, Krishna. Okay, Krishna tells there is no karma yoga, there is no jnana yoga, bhakti yoga. Okay, any punyam that you people have? Then Andal is telling, yes, we have the punyam that made the controller of the entire world, entire jagat, to have birth in our cowherd clan. Undannai piravi perundanai punyam yamudayom. Normally we have to go and search for punyam. But here, Bhagavan, the punyam itself came searching the cowherd clan. That is the punyam what we possess. That is the punyam we have. Like Tirpanarvar says, Gora Madhavam Seidanan Kollariye Narangattamman. Similarly, Andal says, we have not done anything, but as a punyam, you only came to our clan. Now Krishna got hold of these words and tells, yes, I am also a cowherd boy. I don't have any powers. How can I give you mukti? Then Andal says, Kurai ondrum illada Govinda. Whatever avataram Bhagavan takes, all his Shakti, power also comes with him only. In Bhagavad Gita 4th Adhyayam, Krishna says, Ajopisan Avyayatma Bhrutanam Ishwaropisan Prakritim Swam Adhishtaya Sambhavami Atma Mamaya. In all the avatarams that Bhagavan takes, his gunam, his Shakti will remain same and will be equal to that of the Paravasudevan Vaikunthanathan. Andal is telling, Kurai illada, Kurai ondru illada, Kurai ondrum illada. Kurai illada, you are blemishless. Kurai ondru illada. Not being blemishless, he makes the persons around him also blemishless. Kurai ondrum illada. Sometimes his gunam itself will become as a dosham. That is, if Bhagavan has one gunam that checks the defects of the devotee, it will become a dosham, kurai for him. But that also he is not having. So Andal is taking kurai ondrum illada. Andal uses in the single sentence 3 words to give the more significance for that meaning. Thirukudundai Andavan calls Andal as Muppadam Seemati. 3 words Seemati. Kurai illada, kurai ondru illada, kurai ondrum illada. Like that, arivillada, arivondru illada, arivondrum illada. Now Krishna says, yes, I might be kurai ondrum illada Govindan, a very generous person. You might be a very downtrodden person. But it is not compulsory that I should give whatever you ask. I am kurai ondrum illada Govindanna, I can choose whether to give or not. Then Andal says, you cannot escape like that, Krishna. உந்தன்னோடு உறவேல் நமக்கிங்கொழிக்க ஒழியாது. We are closely related. Bonding between us cannot be destroyed by you or by me or by both of us also. Swami Pillai Lokacharya describes 9 types of relationship between a Jivatma and Paramatma. 1. Pitacha, he is like a father to us. Rakshaka, he is the savior to us. 3rd, Seshi, he is our master and we are the Seshan. That is, the only purpose of this Seshan is to add glory to my master. He is our Seshi. 4th, Bharta, that is, for all Jivatma, he is the husband. It is not meant as the worldly relationship. We, the Jivatma, we are for the Bhagavan only. He is the only Bharta to us. And Nyayaha, he is to be known through Shastras. He is the Swami, he is the owner, he is the owner of the property. We are the Jivatma, we are the property of him. Adharam, he is holding us. Then Atmacha, he is within us as Antaryami. And Bhogyaha, he is enjoying as a spectator. We should do the thing that makes him happy and enjoyable. Then Krishna is asking, then why all these days you did not ask anything? Now only you realize it, na? And Andal is telling, Ariyada Pillaigalom. We are innocent. We are small. We might have done something without having consciousness. அறியாத பிள்ளைகளோம் அன்பினால் உந்தன்னை சிறு பேரழைத்தனவும் சீறி அருளாதே. With love towards you, we might have forgotten the protocols. We might have called you with petty names. In 28th Pasuram only, she is calling him as Govinda. When he has descended as a cowherd boy, it is our duty to praise that specific attention that he has given to us. Since Andal is referring as Narayana, Krishna thought she is not recognizing the efforts he has taken in this avataram. So Andal is telling, yes, now we realized you are our Govindan. பேரழைத்தனவும் சீறி அருளாதே. Please don't get angry. இறைவா நீ தாராய் பறை. The கைங்கரியம். Andal says, we have done everything what we can do. And Nappinai Pirati also did Purushakaram. Now it is your duty. You are our upayam. You are the means and you are the goal. நீ தாராய் பறை அருளேலோர் எம்பாவை. Please give the parai and bless us. 6 parts of Sharanagati is explained very well in this Pasuram. 1. Anukulasya Sankalpaha. We should do what Bhagavan likes. That is our Nitya Karma Anushtanams, what is prescribed to us as per our Dharma. Andal says, Karavagal pin sendru, as per the custom of the cowherd clan. Second is Pratikolasya Varjanam. We should be away from the things which Bhagavan does not like. That's why Andal says, அறியாத பிள்ளைகளும் அன்பினால் உந்தன்னை சிறுபேரழைத்தனவும் சீறி அருளாதே. Unknowingly we called you with petty names. Please don't get angry and punish us. Please excuse us. We will not do it again. Third one is Mahavishwasam. Firm belief that Bhagavan will save us at any cost at any time. முந்தன்னோடு உறவேல் நமக்கு ஒழிக்க ஒழியாது. That is the relationship between this Jivatma and Bhagavan cannot be destroyed. Then fourth one is Karpanyam. Nothing I have with me. We do Sharanagati with folded hands, Akinchanyam. That is, I don't have anybody to surrender and I don't have anything with me. We are standing in front of you, Ananya Gatitvam. We have no other place to go and we are standing in front of you and praying you only. This one Andal says, Arivondrumillada Aikulathu. We don't have any knowledge and no means also. We are surrendering to you only. Number 5, Goptrutva Varnam. Conveying our requests and pleading openly with prayers wholeheartedly to protect us. Andal says, Iraiva nee tarai parai. Sixth one is this Angi. With this body only we are doing this Sharanagati. So all the essence of Sharanagati is very well explained by Andal in this Pasuram. So she has done Sharanagati in this Pasuram and in tomorrow's Pasuram she will do Kainkarya Prarthana. The Divyadesam referred for this Pasuram is Vrindavanam. In this Pasuram Andal says, Karavagal pin sendru Kanam சேர்ந்து உண்போம். Kanam means the forest. So here the Vrindavanam is a forest where Krishna used to play and graze the cows. பின் சென்று காணம் சேர்ந்து, reaching and experiencing that place. What is to be experienced there? காணம் சேர்ந்துன்போம். We take it as a ganam, that is joining the Venugana Goshti of the Yadavas, enjoying the magical flute of Sri Krishna at Vrindavanam. Uttukadu Venkatagavi tells, புல்லாய் பிறவி பெற வேண்டும். At least as a grass, I should have a birth in Vrindavanam. In Nachiyar Tirumozhi, Andal is describing the greatness of Krishna and she is telling, இட்டமான பசுக்களை இனிது மறித்து நீரூட்டி விட்டுக்கொண்டு விளையாட விருந்தாவனத்தே கண்டமே. In the 10 Pasurams, Andal is describing the play, the Seshtitams of Krishna and telling she saw that Krishna in this Vrindavan. And as a Falasruti also, பருந்தாட் களிற்றுக்கு அருள் செய்த பரமன் தன்னை பாரின் மேல் விருந்தாவனத்தே கண்டமை விஷ்ணு சித்தன் கோதை சொல் மருந்தாம் என்று தம்மனத்தே வைத்து கொண்டு வாழ்வார்கள் பெருந்தாள் உடைய பிரானடிக்கீழ் பிரியாதென்றும் இருப்பாரே. Those who chant these 10 Pasurams will be with Bhagavan always and enjoys his Kainkaryam without separation. We will enjoy the 29th Pasaram, which is going to as the Kainkarya Prapti. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimate Godayai Namaha.